and 28 of the Constitution.
Omumpaka ezezeserwe Muti Court competitions abeegi nibooreka entaranta zaabo kurabira omu kuhoza emishango etari emwe n'emwe omu maisho g'abaramuzi abakuru.
I've been telling you, don't be mechanical lawyers. Huh? You must be natural lawyers. And the lawyer must be a great thinker. You must think very fast. Huh? Think very fast.
No kuyamba abaana aba faculty participatinga omu competitions eziri nkezi ezirije ko mu ihanga na nahiri y'amahanga. For example, twineho competition yarije kubaho Kampala kandi ndijo eriho neza kuba eri Kigali aha University of Kigali omu 11.
I want to advise students that it is the 21st century. And not just the 21st century, a century that needs one to have public speech skills, advocacy skills, even any other average professional that is out there. So if you do not improve some of these skills in the university level, then I do not know where you are going to improve them from.
Buri mwaka okwetoorora ihanga omu matendekero agarukushomesa amateeka nk'iteeka nibatebeekanisa empaka ezi okuhabeegya obukugu burikumara.
You know, ordinarily when we're doing this course, much of it, the persuasion is done when these questions are coming through. Remember, you've already submitted your memorials. We are intended to understand your question, your concern, and much of it will come through this kind of question, Q&A, right? Take note of the questions and adhere to the question and ensure that you answer to the satisfaction of the person asking.
By the time you are graduating, you should be physically strong. Mentally, you should be a person who can put up a conversation and you can maybe spend 1 hour. Not this business of saying after 5 minutes that I'm done.
Nihija no kubaho empaka z'ihanga ryo no mu bwire butari bwahare kandi ezi nizimanywa nka National Muti Court competitions. Aha bwa TV West nde era akiza.